All right. Sorry I don't have a tripod, but I just want to show people what I'm using and what I'm doing. Now, I just made a 6-minute video and decided I want to keep it as short as I can. I can always make another one if somebody wants me to, but I have these in the folders up here, like chance and distance. I have like tonight's for Wisconsin. I play Wisconsin, Minnesota mainly. 4 is out, and it's out 11 draws, and it's yellow, which I know that once they go yellow, they don't last long. It's going to hit. Just like today's 9, I knew it would hit, and it did. So, okay, so I'm going to try to keep this shorter. So instead of me going through all this, if somebody wants me to go through what I do, I will. How I break things down, and it's really cool how I get the numbers. So I can reduce the numbers a lot, and it's crazy with these filters. I'm a member of Pick 3-4 website, Lotto odds, and also Lottery Post. This is mainly to show what I do on this right here. This is what I want people's opinion on. So first of all, let me show you what I just did the other day in Pick 4. So I go to Pick 4 combination analysis. I'm going to try to talk faster. So we go to midday and evening. Okay. Now remember, there's 715. I get rid of quads. Okay, and I'm going to do box, and then I'm going to do, watch this, I'm going to do 7 years, okay? 7 years is the time period I'm doing. I have many different time periods that I really like. Now what I do is, watch, this is what I'm looking at, not this. I'm not looking at the combinations. I'm looking at the times drawn, okay? Now watch this. When you go to last seen, you see it was a 7, you see it was a 5 and a 4 and a 10. Now, what I learned and what I've noticed in the last few months, and I got a couple wins off this on the Pick 4 already. I got them boxed, so it's not like a lot of money, but it's still, some money. But watch this. Double digit, double digit, double digit, double digit. There's a space there, double digit, double digit, double digit, double digit. So what I'm doing is double digit. What I'm doing is I'm finding not so much a pattern. It is a pattern, but the inevitability that there's going to be a double digit. And you can see that it's been only 3 draws, so I won't even play Pick 4 right now. I have other time periods that I like too. So, but what I did the other day, I had this one right here. I had it down to only 40 some numbers, and I didn't get it because I thought there was going to be a 2. But the point is I had it. Out of 715 box combinations, I got it down to 30, and I do this constantly. So what you do is, if you think it's going to be a double digit, don't look at the combinations. Just look at this. Then what you do is you just go to the all times it's been drawn, and then you just go like this. You copy 9 and up, because the 9 is going to turn to a 10, which is obviously a double digit, right? So look at that. Only that many numbers. That's it. And then I always paste that into like Word, or not Word, but in whatever. I'll paste that into here, and then I'll copy just the numbers themselves. It's probably a faster way of doing that, but I'm not really that good on this. And then I'll copy those numbers, and then I'll just go and I'll look for keys that are out. And when I find a key that's been out for a long time, then I'll look for that and I'll put it together. And it's so amazing. You can win constantly doing this. Like, for instance, and so now I'll wait for another double digit to hit. But let's just go back to the beginning here, and so I can show you again. Like, I got Tennessee the other night, down to that many numbers, and I was really more into those 2 numbers right there, and that's what it was, boxed, because there was 3 draws with doubles, 3 of them in a row, so I knew there was a great chance for a single. So that's what I did, is I went to Tennessee and I did what I just did now. But like tonight, I'm looking for Wisconsin, so I'll just do a live what I'm doing right now. Okay, so I'll do box, and I don't like doing these together. I've been doing this for like 9 months now, 10 months. It doesn't work that well. It just messes up the time period. So if you want to do singles, okay, and then you can pick any time frame you want. But like, for instance, watch this. This is so cool. 7 years. I found this. I've gotten wins off this too. You go to the last scene, right, and watch this. You're only looking at the first digit. Only look at the first digit. Watch. 2. Look at all the 2s. This time period, 7 years, loves the 2. It hits all the time, constantly. There's going to be times when you don't get it, but you just wait for a little bit of a gap, and then you play it. And what's cool about this time period is if you go to the 20s, look how many there are. There's hardly anything at all in the scope of 220 box numbers, you know, in the light of 220 numbers. Look, that's it. That's like 45 numbers or so, if that even. That's it. And so when you think you can go to your state, whatever you're doing, go to the last scene, don't even look at the combinations, look at the times drawn. Look at 2, 2. Like the other day, which one did I get? I'm trying to remember which one I got. I can't remember which one it was. But it was out like 2 or 3 draws, and I knew that a 20 was probably going to hit. I think it might have actually been this one right here, 5, 6, 7. And you wait until it comes out a little bit, and then you play just those numbers. This works all the time. It's inevitable that, you know, they're going to change, you know. So that's what I've been doing. I want to know what other people think on that. And so like that just hit 220, so I wouldn't do that one. So, but you can do like all available history too. You can do 6 months or whatever you want to do. But like all available history, go to last scene and look at 7, 6, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. 7 likes to hit on this time period. And now the 80s will start to hit too eventually, start to hit more. But right now, 7s and 6s. So if you think it's going to be a 7, just go to this right here, copy the 70, not the 79, but just copy the 78 through the 69, or 69 through the 78, okay? That little bit of numbers right there. And go and just focus on those. If you can find a key that's been out, like Minnesota, like in Wisconsin right now, 4 is out, 11 draws. I'm going to play that tonight for sure, a 4. And then looking at this, you know, I'm not really sure, to be honest with you, if it's going to be a 70 tonight. Looking at 7, I only look at the first digit, okay? So 7, 6, 6, 7. So it's kind of up in the air for me on that one. So I'm not really sure if I want to do that one, but it might be a 6 or a 7. And then, but that's not including the double. You have to do the doubles themselves, okay? See, I'm already getting too far into the video. I wanted to show how I break things down. I'm a member of Lottery Post, Pick 3, 4 website, and also Lotto Odds, which is awesome for breaking things down. If somebody wants a video of like how I break things down and what I do, I can do that. But the main part of this video is to show this combination analysis and how this is so amazing. And breaking it down. Like you can even do like one thing I do for Minnesota. I'll finish up on this one. Minnesota for now. Watch this. You go to pairs, go to that, and then go to Minnesota, because that's what I like. You can do whatever state you want. I've even combined them and it works. You can find patterns in that too. Front pair straight, you can do front pair box. So the front pair straight, and you know, I like 7 years, but also like 90 days. So if I do 90 days, you'll notice that a 1 just hit. See that? That's what I was looking for today. Look at that, a 70 hit. But remember, look at a 1 hit. So what I seen was 2, 3, 2, 2. I knew that a 1 was going to hit soon, because look at 2, 2, 2, 4, 2. But then look at 1. Look at all the 1s. 90 days likes the 1, and I knew it was overdue, so I just focused on these today. I don't think I got that though, but because I'm going for the 2 on the front, because it's been out like 55 days. So but yeah, and it's the same thing. Oh, and then the back pair, you can do all of this stuff, but the back pair straight, I've been waiting for this to turn. Let's see if it did turn today. I'd be surprised if it didn't, and it did. Oh my gosh, it did. They both did. I had it down to only 300 or 280 numbers today, I think. Because once again, last night, what I seen was 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2. I knew that there was going to be a 1, because look at all these 1s. And so look what happened. A 1 hit today, which is these up here. A 0, this is a 0 up here. 0 turned to a 1. It was 0.7 on the end. Oh my gosh, and the 0.7 was due. That is so frustrating, because I've been waiting on that 0.7. Oh my gosh, I'm doing this in real time, so I'm really frustrated right now to miss that. Darn it. But so you can do this. It's so amazing to find the pattern in these. So I'm coming up on 10 minutes, so I'm going to stop now. I can make more videos if somebody wants later.